Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Black Press Media. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blackpressmedia.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Black Press Media. Now, in order to log into your employee account, just scroll all the way down from the home page and you can find the BC Employee Login button underneath iServices. Just click on this and you will be taken into the login portal. Now all you need to do is type in your credentials, so just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Then just click on the login button and you will be logged into your employee account with Black Press Media. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can simply click on the Forgot Your Password button to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Black Press Media. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.